Good morning. Today's my lecture topic is four-stroke diesel engine. Diesel engine works on the principle of diesel cycle. It consists of four-stroke also. All what are all the four strokes are suction, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke, as in the petrol engine itself. The same thing in the diesel also. The number of strokes is 4. So suction, compression, power, and exhaust. Here the fuel used is diesel. So diesel engine works on the principle of diesel cycle. In diesel engine, during suction stroke, the piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. At that time, the inlet valve will be opened, so the air is coming through the inlet valve to the and it's enter into the engine cylinder. Air alone entered. That is the main thing. Air alone entered into the engine cylinder, and the valve, inlet valve is closed. So during the second stroke, that is compression stroke, both the valves are closed. So during compression stroke, the piston is moving from bottom dead center to top dead center. So during compression, the air is compressed and it is getting high pressure and temperature, and both the valves are closed. So when the piston reaches the top dead center, there is a small space is available, that is called combustion space. So at the end of the compression stroke, we are supplying the diesel fuel through the fuel injector. So when the fuel is supplied, already high temperature pressure gases are mixed with the diesel fuel, and it is ignited automatically. Unlike petrol engine, here there is no spark plug is required, because in the diesel engine it has a self ignition, temperature is high, so it burns automatically. So the it is power is developed. The combustion products will hit the piston suddenly, so the piston is forcefully moved downward. So the piston is forced from top dead center to bottom dead center. This stroke is called the power stroke. At the end of the power stroke, again the piston reaches the bottom dead center. The final stroke is exhaust stroke. During exhaust stroke, the air fuel mixture burnt gases are inside the engine cylinder, and it should be sent out to the atmosphere through the exhaust valve. So during the final stroke, exhaust stroke, the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. So the burnt gases are sent out to the atmosphere. The burnt gases consist of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and nitric oxide, and other gases. This cycle will be repeated. So this cycle is called the diesel cycle. So the diesel cycle power is generated like this. Again the cycle is repeated in the same way. What are the advantages of diesel engine is compared to petrol engine? Diesel engine has high efficiency, and also the diesel cost is somewhat low compared to petrol engine. These are the main advantage of diesel engine. And also it has high efficiency, and the fuel combustion is completely taken place in the diesel engine. So the another cycle will be repeated, same thing will be repeated, so the power is developed again in the engine cylinder, the cycle is repeated. So in the diesel engine, this works on the principle of diesel cycle. These four strokes will be repeated and the power is developed. The advantages of diesel engine is compared to petrol engine is diesel fuel rate is low, and also the complete combustion, that is emission is less compared to petrol engine. In diesel engine, emission will be less. That is the main advantage. Even though the cost is high, it has high efficiency. That is the advantage. Disadvantage is it is a complex in design. Fuel injector and a fuel injection pump is required for the diesel engine. This is the main disadvantage of the diesel engine. Also the maintenance cost is somewhat high, and also it has a higher weight ratio compared to petrol engine. That is the only disadvantage of the diesel engine. When compared to application, it applied in all four-wheeler engine and commercial vehicles. Thank you.